this is how far I went up for the basket that I'm making. We're gonna go around one more time, but we're gonna do it in a different way. So it was about 4 times around, and then you wanna stop this portion where you started. So you can see where you started if you look at, this, you can see it better on this one. Kind of where you can see the raffia right there. Okay, so I went up 4 times, and on the last part, so you still have your loop right there. I like to pull mine through and then just hold it there in place. And you're also gonna need a tapestry needle. I actually don't remember what size this is, but I like mine pretty big. I wanna say, oh, I don't know. Okay, I'll look and then I'll put it in the description of the video. But go ahead and thread whatever you have left. I don't have much left, so. And I like to cover the whole thing. So what we're going to do is I'm gonna wrap it around the raffia about 4 times, maybe 3. And then take your needle, and I poke through the raffia. Since this is so short, I'm actually gonna replace this colored string, so this is a good point to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my needle off. I'm gonna cut a new piece of string, probably about 5 feet long. And then I'm going to thread the needle. And then let it go to the halfway point. Okay, so from with the old string, I'm gonna let it join the rest of the raffia. And then the new string, I'm gonna poke through the raffia on the portion below, but I'm not gonna pull my string all the way through. I'm gonna leave a good amount. About 5 or 6 inches. And then I'm gonna continue going around the raffia. So let's say we go around 3 times. And then poke through the raffia. Go around 3 times again. So if you've seen the baskets that I have on my Instagram, I make little handles, and so we're gonna do that. So I make 2 handles on opposite sides of each other, and that's where I connect the rope to make the macrame baskets. So we'll just start making the handle here. You have to do it pretty early on because it is so small. So I like to go through the raffia here a few times just to secure it in. And you'll see why in just a second. Okay, so I went through the raffia on the circle below, 3 times. And now I'm going to go around the raffia. I'm not sure how many times, but as big as you want your handle. Gosh, probably like 20, between 20 or 30 times. I'm just gonna see if you can see. Okay. Sorry, my low battery notification came on. Okay. So I wrapped this portion a bunch of times, and now I'm gonna bend it just a little bit to see if that's how I want the hook, because it's gonna be just a little handle, so you're gonna bend it. I think that's good. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna bend it a little bit the way I want it. So I want it to look something like that. I just need a little bit of spacing. And then I'm going to poke into the raffia right below again. Probably 4 times or so, just so it is secure. My son is taking a bath right now. I wouldn't be surprised if my husband came in during this video. Okay, so I went to the raffia about 4 times, and now I'm going to continue the process of going around 3 times and then poking into the raffia below. So you're going to want to start your handle, you're going to want to look at the top of your basket, and you're going to want to figure out where you're going to start the next handle. So because you'll want it to be pretty even. So go ahead and try that, and then try to put your handle on the other side in an even way, and then I'll let you know, or the next video will be on how we finish it.